Hello, beautiful people. Here is how to produce at least 8 liters of toilet wash. Here are the chemicals required for the production of at least 8 liters of toilet wash. Now, let's get down to the step-by-step process of the production. Soak your caustic soda in 1 liter of water at least 1 hour before the production process begins. Get a bowl that is big enough to contain at least 10 liters of water. Add in 6 liters and then begin to dissolve your Nutrisol in it. Pour in the Nutrisol bit by bit and keep turning. Keep turning. Don't let it sit, otherwise it's going to form bubbles. I know that's not what you want in your solution. Keep stirring for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then, get your soaked caustic soda. Pour it into the water and Nutrisol solution and then begin to stir it all over again for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then, get your sulfonic acid. Pour it into your production solution and begin to stir again for another 10 to 15 minutes. By now, the solution will become so very thick. Stir so that all the items will be fully incorporated. They can blend together very well. From the solution you've gotten, fetch out about 3 liters of it. Then, get your HCl, pour it into that fetched out 3 liters of that solution. Pour the HCl into it, turn it together, fully incorporated. Then you take that solution to the bigger solution, pour it into that bigger solution and begin to turn all over again. Make sure that they blend all together, fully incorporated for at least about 10 to 15 minutes. Again, get about 100 ml of water. Dissolve your color in it very well and then pour it into the bigger solution and then stir again and again for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The essence is for all the chemicals, all the ingredients, all the items to be fully incorporated. And then the last of it all is to add your fragrance, the perfume. For a toilet wash, I usually use Ambipo. I don't know, for you can make your choice, but for me, I usually use the Ambipo fragrance for all my toilet wash productions. They turn out well, honestly. Try that, you will like it. I use Ambipo. Get at least 30 ml of Ambipo fragrance. Pour it into that solution. Turn it all over again. Remember, this is the last stage. Turn it so very well, making sure that they are fully incorporated, and then cover your production. Let it sit for at least the next 24 to 48 hours before you can begin to package them for use or for sale. Now, remember to listen to the precautionary measure that comes after this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now. Here are the protective gear you need. Remember to wear your protective gear. Be very careful as these chemicals are not friendly to the skin and the human system. Wash off any area that may come in contact with it using white vinegar and clean water. See the doctor immediately if it comes in contact with the eyes.